learn about mode, median and mean. Okay, we started with one data handling method, that is mean. Mean means what? We need to sum. It is like an average. Okay, average and mean is the same. So arithmetic mean means sum of all observation divided by total observation. That is called mean. Then we learn median. Median means what? It is a middle value. For that you need to arrange all the data in an ascending or descending order, and from that you need to find the center value, middle value. That is median. And mode means maximum repeated value. We are learning this method because in different situations we need to use different method of finding the central tendency. Means to represent whole data we need to use method of finding the central tendency, and we need to use different method in different situations. That's why we learn about the mean, mode and median. Okay, today we will solve exercise 3.2 that is based on this method. So here exercise 3.2, question number 1. The scores in mathematics test out of 100 of 15 students is as follow. Here the score is given. So 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 25, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. This is the information of maths test is given. Find the mode and the median of the data. Are they same? So here you need to find the mode and median of the data. Mode means what? Again, it is a maximum repeated value, and median means it is a middle value. So first of all, we need to arrange all data in a ascending order, or you can arrange it in a descending order. So let's start. What is the smallest value here? It is 5. Now after 5, it will be 9. Then 10. After that it is 12, that is the smallest value. Then 15, 16, after that 19, now 20, but here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times 20 is there, so we need to write 4 times 20. After that it is 23, then 24 and 25 2 times. Count the total number, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we arrange all the 15 numbers in an ascending order. Now what are the maximum repeated value? You can see here 20 is repeated 4 times and 25 is repeated 2 times. So which is the maximum repeated value? 20. So mode will give 20. Why? It is maximum repeated value. Now median. Median means central value. Now if you divide 15 into 2 parts, that is from the center 7 on the right side and 7 on the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from this 20 there are 7 number on left side, and from this 20 there are 7 number on right side. Means it is divided into 2 equal parts from 20. So 20 will be our median. Are they same? Yes, mode and median are same. So yes, mode and median are same. Okay. This way you can find. You can also find the mean. For that you need to take out the sum of this all thing and divide by 50. Now let's solve question number 2. That is, the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players are 6, 50, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 50. Find mean, mode and median. Here you need to find all 3 methods of finding the central tendency: mean, mode and median. Now again, what is mean? It is sum of all observation divided by total observation. mode means it is a maximum repeated value and median means middle. Okay, so for that let's arrange all the data in ascending order. So here ascending order. So what will be the smallest value from the data? It is first 6, after that 8, then 10 2 times here. So 10 and 10. After that 15 is 3 times. So 15, 15 and 15. After that 50, then 80, then 100 and 120. So now mean means sum of observation divide number of observation. So here sum of 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 3 times plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 divided by we have total number of 11. So if you add this you will get 429 by 11 and if you divide that you will get 39. Now mode. Mode means maximum repeated value. Which one is the maximum repeated? You can see 15 is the maximum repeated. So 15 will be our mode. And what will be median? Again there are 11 data means we divide number into 5 on right and 5 on left and number that will be in a center. So let's divide this 5 and this 5 from the left to right and here center value is 50. So median will be our 50. Now here mean is 39, mode is 15 and median is 15. So all three numbers are not same. So mode, mean and median for this example is not same. Now let's start question number 3, that is the weight of 15 students of class are 38, 42, 35, 38, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38 and 47. So here the weight of 15 students are given. Find the mode and median. So for mode and median, you need to arrange the data in ascending order. So let's arrange. What will be the smallest value in this information? You can see 32 is the smallest. So first value will be 32. After that 35. Then 36. 37. Then 38. But here 38 is 3 times, so we will write it 3 times. Then after 38 it will be 40. Then 43, 42. Now 43. 43 here, it is also 3 times, so we write 43 3 times. Then 45, 47 and 50. Okay, so this is the ascending order. Now mode. Again mode is a maximum repeated value. So which number is maximum repeated? Here 43 is repeated 3 times and 38 repeated 3 times. So mode is 38 and 43 kg. Okay, we have two values for mode. Now median. Median means again it is a central value. So it is a 15 data means 7 will be on left side and 7 on right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 40 will be central value. So here our median for this data is 40 kg. Is there more than one mode? Yes, we have two value for modes. Yes, here we have two value for mode. Okay. Now next find the mode and median of the data. Again you need to find mode and median. So first of all arrange the data in ascending order. So here first value is modest, that will be 12 times, then 13 2 times, after that 14 3 times, so 14 14 and 14, and then 16 and 9. Now mode means what? Central value. So what is the maximum repeated value? So here 14 is maximum repeated, so 14 will be mode. And median, that is central value. So what is the central value? Here count the data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, means 4 will be on right side and 4 will be on left side. So this 14 will be median. So here mode and median for this information will be same. Now question number 4, tell whether the following statements are true or false. So here first, the mode is always one number in the data. Mode means what? Mode means maximum repeated value. So in data, whatever number is maximum repeated, that will be our mode. જે પણ data maximum repeat થતો હશે એ આપણું mode થશે. That's why yes, it is a true statement because mode will be, you can see from this example, mode is what? 14, and 14 is the one of the member of the number. The mean is one number in the data. Every time mean is not one number in the data. It can be number that is given in a decimal point also. So this is not necessary. Every time it is not the member of data. The median is always one number in a data. So what is the median? Median means central value. So it will be from the data. You can see here median is 14. So it is also the number from the data. So it is true statement. Always the median is number of data. The data 4, 6, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 has mean 9. So this statement is true or false. First of all we need to find mean of this data. So let's find mean of this data. Mean means what? Sum of all data divided by total data. So here we need to perform addition of this. Now here how many information is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you add this all number, you will get 64. And 64 divided by 8 will give 8. 8 is the 64. So here mean is what? 8. And in equation it is written mean is 9. So it is false statement.